Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2012 Lexus IS250 all-wheel drive. This one's a Nebula Gray Pearl. Under the hood is a 2.5 V6 pushing out 204 horsepower and 185 pounds of torque. We've got front and rear LED daytime running lights. For wheels, we've got 17-inch alloy wheels. Tires are in good condition. Black leather interior, sunroof, coming around back. We've got a Lexus all-wheel drive IS250 badging. Opening up the tailgate, we've got a clean set of floor mats. Coming alongside here, a keyless entry. Memory seats, power windows, power seats, a rear shade. We've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Nice big paddle shifters for extra performance. Push start ignition. Garage door openers. A rear view backup camera. Navigation, also a touchscreen for our media display, dual climate zone, radio, heated and cooled seats, automatic transmission. This vehicle has 111,098 miles, Carfax and service records available. If you'd like to view more photos of this Lexus, check out feldmanimports.com.